Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from PowerTac. Now this here is their Patrolman LE-10X. Now I was sent this by them directly. They wanted me to test and review. This light comes in this case. Now this is a carrying case, also you can store the light in it as well. That way nothing happens to it. So let's wait no further. Let's open this up, see what's in. Nice foam insides here, including the lid. And they give you a couple of PowerTac stickers. One O-ring. This here is the magnetic charging cable. This is a wall type. Here is the user manual. Pretty simple. And here we're going to look here at the specifications here. As you can see there, 4,400 lumens on the highest output. That's pretty impressive. And of course you've got their lifetime warranty card. Register your product online at their website, get you that lifetime warranty. You've got the notice. This notice is to remove that from the battery area of the light. Now let's go ahead and grab the light out of here. And there it is. Now right offhand, the knurling on here is very aggressive. I noticed all the PowerTac lights that I've tested recently have been very aggressive on the knurling, so you're definitely not going to get this to slip out of your hand. A lot of heat sinking here on the head of the light. Steel bezel. Here's the charging port here. And it's pretty strong. Nice size, as you can see. Longer than my camera view. Easy to access that side switch. Now on the side switch here, this is a dial-in feature here. As you can see, you'll be able to just use one of your fingers to dial it in, whatever finger you want to use. Solid light. Feels very rugged. Definitely use it if you work in security or law enforcement. You can table stand that as well. Now the machining and finish on this is excellent. Not seeing any issues. Style and design on this is very nice. Really have a long history in my flashlight collection of long barrel lights, so they've always been there and they probably always will be in one shape or form. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look here at the reflector here. This is a textured reflector, also known as an orange peel type. Now this is running the Cree XHP 70 LED, also known as the world famous quad LED. Try to get a real good close-up of that for you. Not a speck of dust in there. Good quality control. Okay, now let's go ahead and take it apart here, and I'll show you the piece that you have to remove. And we'll take a look here at the tail spring. Here's the contact piece on the tail. Now there's nothing on it, so you can charge it right away when you get it. The actual piece is on the head of the light. We'll go ahead and remove that for you. And on this end here, show you the spring on the head. Now we'll remove this protection piece here, contact plate there on the battery. Now we'll go ahead and put it all back together. We got some grease here on the threads. And that's it. Everything lines up here. Nice. Alright, now let's go ahead and go over the UI. Now the UI is pretty straightforward. You're just simply going to push this button right here in the center. That gets you started. And again, turn it off, turn it on. It's real simple. Now you can turn the dial here. And there's little indentations there, so it'll stop and fall into that light output. Again, huge amount of light. Wow. Then you have strobe, and that is a constant rate on the flash. Turn the dial again, we'll go to SOS. Turning the dial again, we'll go to the lowest light output. Now you can also go the other way if you want. Doesn't matter which way you go. Now you're thinking to yourself, hey, that looks like it's hard to turn. It is not. You can literally turn it with your thumb. Real super easy on that. Nothing difficult. Go back the other way. So no issues there. That's the lowest light output. We're going to take a look here at the beam. As you can see, it's more of a combination beam, which is my favorite. Got a centralized hotspot. A lot of bleeding around the edges here, even towards the outer edge here. And then here's the cutoff. Not super sharp on that cutoff, but definitely there on the spill area. So this should have a good combination. Might lean a little more towards the floody side. We'll have to check it out there. And then again, when you want it off, simply push that button. Show you the dial again. It shows you exactly low, medium, high, strobe, and SOS. Alright, well that's all there is to this light. So let's wait no further. Let's take this bad boy out, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the PowerTac Patrolman. So let's get started. 35 feet to that water spout. 65 feet to that tree there. There it is on the fence. I'll give you an idea. It's got some pretty impressive run times. Had it out the night before tonight, and it didn't cycle much down from the highest level, so that was impressive. Alright, we're going to go to the next level, see how it does. Nice tight beam on that combination. Making it to the school there. 138 feet to this tree from where I'm standing. And that's 238 feet to the tree behind that. Again, impressive light output. Making it across the park there to the playgrounds. Tree line, fence line. I'll go to the next level here. See how it does. See that? Very nice beam performance on this. It is very cold out here. Upper 30s. Look at that. Very nice combination beam performance. Making those trees way out there. Now I list all my distances on my Facebook group. And also did a video here on my channel. If you want to check it out, you can. You'll be able to see all the distances, including those forest palm tree. Do a before and after here. Making those palm trees. That's impressive. Now I'm filming this, so like I said, it's got some really good run time on this high output. Furthest palm tree is just past that side of that lamp out there. Making both parks. Playground there, playground there. Very impressive. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Okay, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots on this Patrolman. Definitely an impressive light. Build quality construction. Super rugged on this light. Definitely impressive on the light output. I did see it cycle down just a little bit, but not enough to go down too high. So it does have a step down a little bit. I ran it for about a half hour on the highest output. This did get very warm, but it is cold outside in my area, so that probably helped with the run time on that as well. This battery pack is very powerful. Yes, you can get extra ones. You can purchase them separately, including on the Pathfinder review I did previously. You can get those as well. So if you are in for, extended run times and you need that extra battery pack, it's always nice to know that you can get one. Now the knurling on here, like I said earlier, is very aggressive. It's very rough, almost like sandpaper. So that's a good thing, especially if you're carrying it outdoors. So just a thought on that. The design is impressive, and not only that, but the lifetime warranty on this light is also a big plus in my opinion. So if you do ever have a problem with the light, you can easily get a replacement. A lot of times they won't fix these lights. Once you send it in, they just send you another one. So that's another big plus. Now I want to thank PowerTac for sending me this to review. Now if this is something you are interested in getting, remember this is a complete kit. Comes with everything you need. Very nice carry case, storage case here as well. They have provided me a special discount code, 35% off of this light, including anything else in the store that you may be interested in getting as well. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these PowerTac lights to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.